Good morning. I hope you all had a great break and a wonderful Christmas. We're going to get started today with our math lesson, and we're going to be working on the number 8 and the number 9 today. So we're going to start with some dot cards for number talks, and I want you to look at the card and see if you can tell me what number that is. Okay, if you said 8, you are correct. Okay, so this is number 8. Okay, so that's number 8. Tell somebody how you knew that was number 8. How did you figure that out? Okay, here's your next one. Okay, if you said 8, you are correct. Okay. That one is 8. So tell somebody how you saw that. Did you count each one? Did you see 5, 6, 7, 8? How did you see that? Okay. All right, let's do this one. Okay, if you said 8, you are correct. Okay, tell somebody how you knew that was 8. Did you see 4 and 4 and you knew that was 8, or did you count each one? Did you see 4 and 4? Okay, let's do this one. Okay, if you said 8, you are correct. That's another way to make 8. Okay, tell somebody how you saw that one. Okay, there's lots of different ways you could have saw that. You could have saw 3 and 3 and 2. You could have saw 4 and 4. You could have counted each dot. Okay, and one more. Okay, if you said 8, you are correct. Okay, so let's look at that. Tell somebody how you knew that was 8. Okay, did you see 4 up here and 4 down here, or did you count? There's 2 and 2 and then 4. Okay, however you saw that. All right, so we're also going to talk about the number 9 today. Okay, so we're going to talk about 8 and 9 today. All right, so you're going to have a paper that looks like this. Okay, we're going to work on that paper first. Alright, so you're going to get that paper out and some of the cubes that you have at home, okay? So we're going to, first we're going to make different ways to make 8. So we're going to put some of our cubes over here and some of them over here to make 8. Okay, so maybe I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that way I made 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 3 make 8. Okay, now I'm going to make a different way to make 8. So this time I'm just going to take away one of my red ones and add a blue one. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because 4 and 4 make 8. Okay, so this time I'm going to take away another red one and add a blue one, and this time I have 3 and 5 again, okay, but 5 blue and 3 red, and that makes 8. I'm going to take away another red one and add another blue one, and now I have 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6. 2 and 6 makes 8. Now I'm going to take away another red one and add another blue one, and this time I have 1 and should be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1 and 7 make 8. Now, I'm going to take away another red one and add a blue one, and I have 0 and 8. Okay, 0 and 8 make 8. All right, so there's lots of different ways you can make the number 8. Okay, so that was the number 8. And now we're going to work on making the number 9. Okay, so so the number 9. So I'm going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 red ones, and I'll need 1 blue one. So 8 and 1 make 9. Now this time I'm going to take away a red one and add a blue one. Okay, so now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 7 and 2 make 9. So let's take away another red one and add a blue one. And this time I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 and 3 make 9. Okay, now I can take away another red one and add a blue one, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red ones, and 1, 2, 3, 4 blue ones. So 5 and 4 make 9. So we take away another red one and add a blue one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have 4 red and 5 blue, which is like what we just did but different colors. Okay, that makes 9. Take away a red, add a blue. I have 3 red and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blue. 3 and 6 makes 9. Take away another red one, add a blue one. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 7 and 2 makes 9. Okay, let's take away another red one and add a blue one. And I have 1 red and 8 blue. 1 and 8 makes 9. Let's take away that last red one and add a blue one. Now I have 0 and 9 makes 9. So that's lots of different ways to make 9. Okay, and you can practice making those different ways on your mat, okay? And then we're going to do this side, okay? And you're going to need, let's see, go ahead and get a crayon or a pencil, it doesn't matter. I'm going to use a crayon. I'm going to get a reddish crayon, okay? So we're going to make groups of 9, okay? So groups of 9. Making groups of 9, okay? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you're just adding your squares to the end of that. So I added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares, okay? So that's what you're doing, because 4 and 5 make 9. Okay, and I'm going to write a 9 right here. Circle in a line makes the number 9. Okay, I've got 1, so I'm going to have to add some squares. 1, and I'm going to say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 squares that time, because 1 and 8 make 9. I'm going to draw a 9 again over here. Okay, I'm going to write a 9, and I'm going to count. I have 1, 2, 3. So now I'm going to say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that I added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because 3 and 6 make 9. Okay, and let's write one more 9. Circle in a line makes the number 9. Let's see how many squares we already have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I only need to add 1 to make 9, because 8 and 1 make 9. Okay, and that's all that we're going to do for our math lesson. I am going to post some videos of different ways to make 8 and 9 on the on your Schoology page, so go ahead and watch those too. That'll help you think about different ways to make 9 and different ways to make 8. And remember to practice your counting to 100, okay? And I'll see some of you in your team's meeting later today, and the rest of you I'll see tomorrow. Thanks.